Let's talk about the bird. You blew that thing up, dude. I mean, just absolutely. And what is the first thing that goes through your mind as that bird kind of gets destroyed with a 100 miles an hour fastball?
I thought initially that maybe someone had thrown something. Jeff Kent, who was on deck, picked it up, and I think at that time, everybody, if you didn't realize what happened then, you did when he was holding up what was left of the bird. 10 All-Star games, won 300 games, close to 5,000 strikeouts, MVP of a World Series, and remembered for killing a bird.